a few of you are thinking about getting crackle maps done on your R36. I actually have a very mild crackle map, if you like, on my R36. It's part of the sort of version 1 of that tune that I got done in the UK. There's a video on that I'll put up in the description on how I downloaded the tune, downloaded the file, sent it over to them with some logs and stuff. Anyway, I haven't finalized that tune yet, by the way. So what they did was they put in a DCAT or DDC something. It was an abbreviation, so I could run high flow cats. They played with the pedal map a little bit, as in the accelerator pedal map, so it would be a bit more responsive. They did some timing and some fueling, but only so they could make some changes, so I could then incorporate the show them the standard log of all the EGTs and timing and blah 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 out of my scan tool, versus what they've done in an incremental change, so they could see what the difference was with my car specifically, and then they went to further change on etc etc. But anyway, they also added a crackle map at my request. They said, look, you don't have to put this in there, of course, and I didn't want anything offensive, because you see a lot of those, or you hear a lot of those cars getting around where it's just full AK-47 as soon as you're on deceleration, and it's just, honestly, it sounds stupid. It really is, you know, beyond the joke. What I've got done to this one is it's almost like that sort of mild factory that like a modern AMG or a modern M Sport or Golf R or something like that. Just a very sedate version of it. So basically, when you're driving around just doing your normal, you know, grocery run, whatever, underneath 4,000 RPM doesn't do a thing, doesn't change the crackle, doesn't do anything. As soon as you accelerate over 4,000, and if you lift off and the RPM is above 4,000, that's when you'll get 3 or 4 little pop through the exhaust, and that's it. It won't continue to go down all the way down, even if you go right up to say 6,000, and you get it right up and then you lift off, it'll just go pop as it comes back down, doing some engine braking. So I think it's you know, if you wanted to keep on doing that, you kind of have to like touch the accelerator, touch the accelerator, touch the accelerator, and it'll sort of continue to crackle and pop. You don't want to be doing that too often, to be honest, because that will kill your factory cats if you don't have your DCAT actually done. DCAT, high flow cats, whatever, your metallized cats will be able to deal with that heat and explosion, you know, a lot more than your factory, you know, ceramic type cats. But anyway, I thought I'd just do a quick video for those of you wondering what the hell it is, and also that you don't have to go full retard AK-47. To give you an idea, I'm just coming up to a little bit of a clear bit of road here. I'll do it a couple of times just so you can understand what I'm talking about. So just let me go around this corner. I'll wind down the windows just a little bit, just so you can hear what I'm talking about. So first gear, second, 6,000. You hear me just? That's it. Now I'm under 4,000 RPM. Doesn't do anything. So if I accelerate, lift off. That's it. Sorry, having those 2 rear windows down really sucks. So 5,000. Pop, done. One more. Done. If you wanted to keep on going, you have to touch the accelerator. So that's it, guys. That's our very basic mild crackle map, which isn't offensive, obtrusive, or doesn't piss off the neighbors, because you'd be driving home at like whatever hour in the morning or night time and you're not going bang, 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 bang all the time. That's going to be turned into a GIF. But it's still something, so you can still sound a little bit cool if you want to, if that's your kind of cool. So anyway, have fun with it.